Frequent DPF regenerations on Volkswagen, Skoda, Audi, Seat 2.0 diesel. This is how you fix it using Gertechteile DPF cleaner. This time I cleaned the particulate filter, DPF, on a Volkswagen Touran 2.0 TDI from 2013. At least once a week the DPF, or particulate filter, warning light appeared on the dashboard along with check engine, and because of this the car won't accelerate properly. To fix the problem, I had to go drive on the highway every time to reach a certain RPM and speed to regenerate the DPF. For cleaning I used one of the most efficient DPF cleaner, Gertechteile DPF, which you can find it below at the link in the video description. This is how the Gertechteile DPF cleaner comes, along with an application kit containing an orange adapter and a hose through which the solution is poured into the DPF. The hose also comes with an adapter for the lambda sensor, in case you want to put the DPF cleaner through the temperature sensor. Guaranteed results or your money back. If you make a video of the car cleaning procedure following all the instructions on the bottle packaging correctly and do not get a lower pressure value than the one you started with, you will receive all your money back. Here we made a car diagnose to be sure that we do not have any problems with the injectors, turbo or EGR, which could negatively influence the operation of the DPF. In the images we only have the differential pressure value of 2 millibars and that's it. You will need 8 T30 Torx, a flat blade screwdriver, hose pliers, and a pressure gauge to work with. You can find all these tools below in the video description. After that we checked the pressure in the particulate filter using a pressure gauge. For this we had to locate the differential pressure sensor, which on the Volkswagen Touran 2.0 diesel is located in the engine compartment on the right side. We unscrewed the 2 bolts from the differential pressure sensor bracket using 8 T30 Torx. Then we disconnected the plug and unscrewed the thicker hose. Before starting the cleaning procedure, the engine must have the temperature of 90 degrees Celsius. You should know that the counterpressure hose is always the one with the greater thickness. In this case it is the one on the left side of the sensor. At maximum speed, the pressure value was quite low, which means that the DPF does not offer much resistance. Probably the car had the particle filter regenerated a few days ago. I connected the orange adapter instead of the bottle cap, then I connected the hose to the pressure sensor and poured the DPF cleaner with the engine off. You should know that the Gertechteile DPF cleaner has a neutral chemical formula that does not affect or react with the plastic or precious metals inside the particle filter. Therefore, using this DPF cleaner does not affect any part of the car. Remember that you can do this cleaning with the Gertechteile DPF cleaner in less than 60 minutes, in a car shop or in your personal garage. Gertechteile DPF also offers you a guarantee that if the DPF cleaner does not work, you can get your money back. You can see that the car has started to emit a little white smoke from the muffler. This only means that the DPF cleaner is working well. You can also see smoke coming from the hose to the back pressure sensor, which is good. After about 15 minutes with the engine off, refit the back pressure hose and other accessories to start the engine. Leave the car idling for 15 minutes without revving the engine. After no more smoke comes out of the muffler, rev the car to 2,500 RPM for a few minutes so that the DPF cleaner works even better. If you follow the instructions on the product and did not obtain a lower value than the one you started with, get your money back. After that, check with the pressure gauge to see if the back pressure value has decreased after cleaning. Don't forget that you can buy this Gertechteile DPF cleaner using the promotion code TutorialAuto to benefit from a 20% discount on the price. You can see that the value is almost zero, which means that the particulate filter has been cleaned of hydrocarbons and ash inside. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.